Ganito pala kaganda yung Mega Lucario guys. So, good day guys. And yeah, today is the day. We're gonna open it guys. This one. The booster box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Siyempre dapat meron tayong mukha. Then, video. Para makita natin lahat. Ay, wait lang. Ito yung gagamitin kong pang video eh. Yeah, basta hindi natin yan. Red na red kasi yung bintana ako. Tanggalin ko nga muna to para makita. Yon! Diba? Okay, so wide. Ayun, pangit naman pala dito. Sobrang liwanag. Wait lang. Kung tatakpan natin, masyadong naman mapula. Ano ba yan? Okay na to. 1, 2, 3, go. So, we have this booster box. So, we're gonna crack this open, guys. So, wait lang, guys. Hopefully, we pull something. Cool. This is the enhanced version. So, probably meron dapat Bulbasaur. So, this is the Bulbasaur, guys. Mega Evolution Bulba. And let's get it on. Twilight. Tabi muna. 3 packs. First 3 packs of the booster bundle. Booster box. Let's go, guys. Delibird, Toxtricity, Seedot, Spiritomb, Tinkating, and Mega Venusaur for the first pack. Wait. Okay. Nice start. Wait lang, guys. Later na nga lang. Next pack. New code card, guys. Chikorita, Miltank, Lieutenant Surge, Ralts, and Garganacl IR. What a pool! So we got the Garganacl IR. Last 3. Trash, Sandslash, Centipede, and yeah, the Lily's Determination Deer is playable, guys. So tabi nyo yan, ibebenta nyo yan, guys. Playable. 250 yata binibenta yan. Okay, let's go. Let's continue our streak. Yan. Another 3 packs. So hopefully we get an SIR here. Scorpish, Fearow, Mega, Celebi, And may ganyan. Na-miss ko mag-open ng Pokemon Park. Guys, last ko nag-open, Surging Sparks pa. Uy, Makuhita. And empties for that. So we got no pulls there. The second pack, we don't have pulls. We got this. It is determination. Next 3. Okay guys, let's go. Hoping for a gold or SIR Gardevoir. And Mega Lucario EX. Sarap mag-open guys. Pero sana masarap din yung pulse. And Wilton, last from the 3 packs. Okay, let's do the card trick para mas mabilis. Let's go. Execute Kadabra and full art Mega Camera Up. A full art. Mega Camera Up. So we got these pulls from the 3 packs, 3 pull. Next 3. Tabi muna natin to. So what is your favorite Pokemon in this set, guys? Sunslash and Raikou Holo. Pinakamagandang card for me is the Gardevoir. So we're manifesting to get a Gardevoir. Oh, Ninjask IR. Not bad. So connecting last pack from this 3. Electrite, Helios, and Abomasnow EX. Hopefully we get something good here. So these 3, we got this. Next 3. Oh my god, I'm so stoked with these cards. I'm so happy I got the chance to open Mega Evolution. Mega Evolution. Let's go. Build that in. And rare candy full art. Oh my god. Puro full art lumalabas ah. Hopefully, hindi lang full art. Natatakot na ako guys. And nothing. We got ninjas and this full art. Next three. And Kangaskhan EX. Next. Okay. Next one. Okay, nothing there, so we just only get what do you call this? Kangaskhan EX for that batch. Okay, let's continue. That's 3. Two IR, 2 full art. Another EX Mega Camera Up. Next one. Vulpix, Chakorita, and a Mega Full Art Lucario. Feeling ko, ano na to? Full Art box. Why did I say that? Tatlong full art na guys. Nakaka-hit ba tayo ng chance of hitting an SIR and Spiritomb IR. So 3 out of 3 tayo dun sa pack na yun guys. 3 out of 3. Let's go. Next na another 3. Another 3. Okay, wala. So dati guys, makapag-open ka pa nito ng SRP. Ngayon, hirap mag-open. Lalo na, dami kang kompetensya. And the last bet is Mega Gardevoir EX. So we got one hit there. Next one. Let's continue our streak. Hopefully a Mega Gardevoir. Mega Gardevoir full art. I know. SIR. As tatlong full art na yung lumabas eh. Last pack from this batch of 3. Okay. Wala. Last. Sila na lang tayo guys. We're down with the 9 packs left. Hopefully we get something good. Please, please. Please guys, please. Another full art. Gong. Oh my god, it's another full art box. No SIR. Apat na. And a Latios IR. Ay, EX pala. Sorry. Last pack. Staffel IR. So we therefore conclude madaming hits kaso puro EX at saka full art. Last 3. Let's go guys. That's the hit coming. Okay. Next. Na tayo pwede pag-grade. Uy, Lily's Determination again with the reversal. I sold mine full art yata yun. Oh, another EX. So we got another EX. So we're down with the 3 last pack. Yeah, we therefore conclude na full art box to. Wala. Last 2 packs left. Last pack, Magic Lucario, bless us please. Marshadow, Fighting Gong, Tinkaton, Energy Switch, Dialga, and yes guys, we therefore conclude. We got so many hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 plus IR. So 16 but no SIR. Not bad guys, not bad. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace! Ganito pala kaganda yung Mega Lucario guys. Ayan. Kakapul lang. Kaso hindi sa akin. Kapag-grade. Anyways guys. Yun lang. Naisingit lang. Bye!